Okay, it's half time now and the score is 0-0, and I can't still believe that we have not converted those sitters that we got. I think it's not possible to win the match if you can't convert the shots, the attempts that you got. Then you have to be clinical finisher at this point of time when you know that you need goals. I think we could have done a better job in that area. Definitely, we're playing better than the one that we played in the previous leg. The chances that we got in first 7 minutes were so good. Were so good. Had we converted those, I don't think Real Madrid would stand a chance against us. It was not possible at all. Just like it happened with Bayern yesterday, that they were trying really hard to score, but just because there was no clinical finisher and they were not able to do it. And same thing is happening with us. I mean, we have to take those chances. I mean, Genie got, what a good chance he missed. Salah missed such a good chance in the second minute of the game. Imagine that we had a goal. I mean, in that second minute that Salah got that chance. Imagine if it was 1-0. Trust me, the game was ours. The problem, where is the problem? The problem lies in passing. Could it be more horrible? Could it be some of the players, they are in that area, like in that zone that we have to do it, and they're playing so well? Milner has up his game by I don't know how many levels. He's playing so good. But then we need those passes. We need to be on point, pinpoint passing chahiye. Aaj only then that we can expect this to take another turn. And I don't know what happens to us whenever we are in the penalty area. We cannot seem to know, what we are supposed to do with the ball. I think we shouldn't be at that state at this point of time. Then Real Madrid is getting like a chance or two. Obviously, we are a better team at the moment, but they are happy to be like just passing the ball around because they are not the ones who need goals at the moment. It's us. We need goals. We need to convert as soon as possible. I think had we gone in second half with a goal in our hand, that would have been much better. But right now, I do not think that this is going to overturn in second half, because if you can't convert the chances that you got, I just don't see us creating beautiful chances and scoring. You know what? I had no interest in making this video today, but just because I see that zeal in them, like they're doing it, they're there, they're doing it, but we need to do it more. We can do it. We are a better team today, but I just think that we need to get a goal like in starting 5 minutes, and Thiago Jota can do that. I don't think that Firmino is working at the moment. And second half, it's really difficult for us to convert that. I see positivity in Klopp and the players. Yeah, they are doing it, but I don't know. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so it's not full time. Thiago is on and Jota is on in place of Milner and Kabak. And the thing is, the anticipation of the goal is so much that I cannot watch it. I'm not able to watch it. And then there is that luck factor comes. I feel that maybe if I don't watch, maybe we win. I know I won't be able to review it. That doesn't matter right now. So I'm going with my gut feeling that I'm not going to watch it. Maybe we get a goal after this. I don't know if it will happen or not. It's already how long? It's already 2 at night. I mean in the morning. So I'm not gonna watch it any further. So yes, I'll be sleeping and let's see what happens tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up and I have no idea what happened last night. I don't know if we converted the chances or Jota had come and Thiago, did they create chances or not? I don't know. Let's find out if we get through UCL or not. I'm checking it on my laptop right now. I think एक गोल तो करा ही होगा. Hopefully. It's 0-0. We didn't get even a single goal. Seriously? Okay. I mean, they were Jota, Salah, Firmino, Mane. पूरा अटैक खेले हैं and 0-0. Okay. So we are out of UCL. expected tha. We did not really play well at all in first leg. I think we played better yesterday. I don't know about the second half, but we played quite well yesterday, and it was really necessary to play well in both the legs. I remember during that match against Barcelona, the semi-finals, we played well in both the legs. Now that's exception that there are people like Messi, you really can't bet on chances like that because you're like god of football. So I I did not really like how we played in the first leg. If only we did not make errors in that match, we could have really done it. But था ही नहीं इस बार luck में. It's okay.